How to fix duplicate contacts on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix duplicate contacts on WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply tap and hold onto your WhatsApp application, go with the app info. From there, you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back, and then you need to open up your Play Store, go with search, and search for WhatsApp. And after searching for your WhatsApp, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, you just need simply go and update it, which will be on the right side. After updating, your problem might be fixed. This is the basic thing. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is go back, open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down, tap on accounts and sync. Scroll down again, tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp again, which will be on the top. And here you will have contacts option. Just simply go and toggle off this option, turn off the sync, and then again turn it on. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.